Well, some days we're in a hurry, and this is an episode that's going to show you how to save lots of time with free email templates that you can use in Gmail. That's a feature of Gmail. It comes right with it. It's spelled out in a Google document if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. I've got a link in there on how to create email templates, how to save them, and then use them. And I could show you better than I can tell you. So I'm going to stop here, insert the video I created on the steps, and we'll get her done. Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and this is how you set up a template for Gmail. You click on your settings gear up on the top right, and then you go to Advanced. And under Advanced, you'll see an option. Let me get myself out of the way. You'll see an option in Advanced for templates. There it is. Click Enable, and then go down to the bottom and click Save Changes. As you can see, I already did enable it, so I don't have the option to save. And then all you have to do is compose a new message, and then the three little dots down here in the bottom right of your compose message, you'll now have an option for templates. And the one I've already created is for website update notification. And this is when I tell people that I've used some of their content or updated their listing, whatever, and the Route 6 Tourist Association website. So I click on that, and then bazinga. The pre-printed template comes up there. I put in the details inside the parenthesis for their content and send it. It's that easy. It'll save you a bunch of time. Contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.